And then at this point, you guys know the drill. We're not doing anything different. We're doing 10 grams of the starter, 50 grams of the flour, and 50 grams of the water. That looks 10-ish, maybe 12. Come on. Hope you guys are having a good day today. I was running late yesterday, and believe it or not, I did make it. So, oh, look at 12. That's weird that I knew exactly. Anyways, we're going to do 50 water. Perfect. Look at that. Killing it today. And the flour. Just like that. We got Sourdough over there on the right. Things are good. This is the part for me where I'm like, man, I want it to work already. So trust the process, be patient, we're so close. You'll start to see, like, not right now because we just fed it, but it'll start seeming a little bit more webby. That means things are happening. So, all right. I always like to flatten it. I don't know. Maybe it's just, it's not for science. Maybe it's just for me. But gotta make sure it looks pretty. All right, cool beans. Just like that. I'll see you tonight. Peace.
At night.
Thing, day 11, at night. Look at those bigger bubbles. Smaller bubbles still happening everywhere. It might be slowing down just because of the cold weather. We don't know. We're going to do the same measurements as always. And what do you know? As before, we're going to do 10 grams of the starter. Maybe 4 more grams of the starter. Maybe 1 more gram of the starter. 1 more gram of the starter. There we go. I'll take it. 50 grams of the water. And 50 grams of the flour. Come on. And of course, we're going to mix. Perfect. And I will see you tomorrow on day 12. Peace.